Egon, what are you doing? Cow duck! They're so serious. They ate the cherry tree. A turtle! Oh, up over. Yay! Matt was washing his hands and he found a 4-leaf clover. Aw. Oh, I dropped it. It's not that lucky, I guess. Egon, what are you doing? Up over. Yay! Scout listened. What kind of turtle is it? What turtle is this? What? A red ear pond slider. It's not a snapping turtle, but it will bite your face. What are you gonna do with it? He's gonna be my best friend. Hello, turtle. Miss Turtle, have you been laying eggs today? Would you like to come into the out now? No, she doesn't want to. They're so serious. Cow duck! Hi, cow duck. There's Watson, our new ram lamb. He's afraid of us still. But he does like to eat some grass, so hopefully he'll help keep this place mowed down. I put all of our weathered boys in here with him, hoping that they would be friends. So far, they're not. The goats are kind of snobbish. They have their own little goat gang. Watson, don't let them bully you around. You show them who's boss. Meanies. They ate the cherry tree.
It was mostly dead.
It was mostly dead. Like all of this was dead. But they ate the rest of it. Good job, goats. Because it's not dead enough. They're going to finish it off. Our little ewe lambs seem to have acclimated somewhat here. They kind of will go in with the goats, but they kind of just keep to themselves. They still won't let us pet them. I should have probably kept them in the barn a little bit longer so they could get used to us, but eventually they'll get used to us. Our own personal duck cleaning crew. They're so happy.